Wugas. I'm back at y'all again with another video. And what time is it? It is lunchtime, and I came home just for y'all, just to put a little something together and eat. I'm hungry. That's one of the reasons why I hurried up back here to get me something to eat. So I went in the refrigerator, and I had this. I wanted to try it out. So I had to show my Sugar Wugas what I'm trying today. So this, what we have right here is called Angus Sliders Barbecue Bacon Burger. That's what it looks like up close. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I'm going to try it out, y'all. I got my little grapes. Throw something together real quick. Got applesauce. God, it's great. Thanks for our food. If you're new to my channel, amen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. And also, if you always come to my channel, thank you. Thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get started because, yes, I am hungry today. Early. I'm hungry early. All right, let's see what this is all about. Friday's Angus Slider Burger. Okay, it's good. It tastes like I went to Fridays. Yeah. Little salad. Not bad for a little lunch. It's good. How y'all feeling, Glenn? Tell me what y'all want to eat for lunch. It's really good. I always did, see these in the freezer. I'm like, I wonder what that's like. So I said, I'm gonna got it. Yep. It came in these little packages right here. It was so cute. Oh, cute little package. Fried. It's different for me. It's good, y'all. Go ahead and try this, y'all. Comment below if you guys ever tried it. I want to know. How did you feel about it? You got to get the goodness, Lord. Goodness. Okay. I don't have no napkin. What's this, y'all? No, I gotta have my Pepsi. Cleaned it all. Excuse me. Get to this. Look how juicy. Look at that. Take a bite, y'all. Y'all gotta have the first bite. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The bacon part. Get a little out. Look at that. That's nice. It's good. It look good, don't it? Look just like the box. How many come in here? 4. 4 come in here. But I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not, so I want to go fix all 4 of them. And y'all know how I get. I started getting all 4 all fast, so. What y'all plans? What's y'all plans for the weekend? What y'all doing? I'm working. Always work. But I always find time to do something other than work. Okay, I play softball. Season is almost over. It's playoffs. We still in the playoffs. We ended the season in second place. And playoff is on Sunday. So we just gotta stay in the game. Mm. The flavor on this is good. You know, the barbecue and everything on here is good. And I'm not just saying that, it's really good though. I didn't think it would be like this because, you know, I mean, I know it's Fridays, but come on now. I got barbecue sauce on my grapes. Oh, look at this plate. This Mason's plate. Don't come from me. I know y'all be trying to make everything look all beautiful. Sometimes I try. And sometimes it's like, look. You know, what you see is what you get, my sugar Wugas. I'm gonna eat this too, with that sauce on there. Wait a minute. My coldest water bottle in the car, y'all. I carry that around with me. Woo! Excuse me. Great. Y'all want that with the barbecue? Nah, I ain't gonna do that to y'all yet. Dessert. Lunch dessert. Great. Excuse me? Excuse me. Act like it's getting fed to me. Sorry, I'm playing y'all. That's how it is. Got a little bit. Can y'all believe that? A little bit of food. Got me feeling like, wait a minute, I think I'm full. Look at me, y'all, being consistent. Guess what? I think I need 19 more. 19 more, I'll be at 200. It's going up there slowly but surely. It's going up there. Thank you. Thank you. Go ahead and share this video with everybody. Share it and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, all that. Share me with y'all friends and family. Share me with everybody there. Sugar Mama Eats. How did I come up with that name? You know, I find myself every time when I'm saying hi to somebody or whatever, I'm like, hey, Sugar. I always do that. I always say that. Or, you know, call Mason or whoever. I'm like, my Sugar Wugas. So I was like, all right. Everybody my Sugar Wugas. All y'all my sugar woogers. Love y'all. It's nice outside today. Look like it's gonna rain though. Look like it's gonna rain. Shower. Something. Ooh, that was from within. I don't like that burp. Excuse me now. It's gone. Put that right there. Alright. Want some applesauce? I haven't had one of these in a while. Give me some energy. See? Y'all want some applesauce? Here, take some applesauce. Good for you. Cinnamon at that. Cinnamon. Okay. Ain't had it in a while. Good, good, good. So, I suggest, if you like barbecue, from Fridays, the sliders, the burger and all that, the bacon, if you like them from Fridays, it tastes just like it. You know how it could be different. Sometimes you bring it home like, oh, Friday, but it tastes just like it. It's good. So if you like it, just go ahead and try it. Something small, something simple, fast. You know, you don't feel like cooking or whatever. But tonight, I think I'm gonna make something tonight. I'm gonna steam something up. You know, move. Why I talk to the boss like that? Move. I'm my way. I'm trying to talk. Get every drop. Don't y'all hate when y'all... Now, comment below if y'all had pudding, yogurt, one of these anytime, and y'all ever did like this and want to try to get every last drop because y'all don't want it to go away. Like, dang, it's over with. And then you start, y'all know y'all did it before. One of y'all did it before. Y'all wanted to go away. Oh man, it's gone. You can tell I'm getting older because I'm gonna tell you something. And this true story. I didn't really like applesauce like this and just eat it willingly. It used to make me gag like, but now I eat it. It's all gone. That's that age. Aging changes your taste buds. Right. I love you, Pepsi. Don't y'all come for me. I know I need to leave him alone. I know! Excuse me. Not today, though. When I start trying, I'm going to come back to my sugar. I'm just like, look, y'all, I'm trying to give up sodas. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'll let y'all know. But right now, Pepsi, y'all going to see. Anyway, my sugar workers, okay, that's it. I just thought I wanted to come in the house on my lunch break, give y'all something, be consistent with my sugar workers. Alright, I'm about to let y'all go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget, Thumbs up this video, subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see me do, what you want to see me eat, any challenges or whatever. Okay, whatever. And I'm gonna leave you guys with a nice lunch hug. My sugar lilies. I see y'all on my next video.